What it do? What it do? What it do? What it do? Welcome to the Veganlicious kitchen. If this is your first time here, why is that? Don't miss out. And you know how you don't miss out on my posts on this channel? By subscribing to my channel, my Veganlicious cooking channel, okay? All you do is press the subscribe button and you'll be notified when I post a new video, okay? So today in the Veganlicious kitchen, I am going to be making brownies. Last week I made blondies. This week I'm making brownies, and it's healthy brownies. We're not doing the garbage, okay? So let's grab the ingredients and let's get it started. And I'm giving salsa vibes. Salsa. So let me show you what ingredients you're going to need to make these delicious brownies. I'm just noticing one of my light fixtures is out. Okay, but let me show you what you're going to need for these brownies. You're going to need who? You see what it says? Okay, that's a chocolate bar. Vegan, we're going to use that. We're going to use black beans. Yep. Himalayan salt. Vanilla. Baking powder. Maple syrup. 100% Keiko chocolate powder. You need oats. I don't buy this brand. I don't know who brought this in here, but it wasn't me, okay? I don't rock with the Mr. Quaker Oat Man, because do your research on it. I don't rock with him. I buy other brands, but this is what I'm using today because this is all that's in here. But if I knew this was in here, or whoever bought it, I would have told them, don't bring this in my house, okay? And we're going to use coconut oil, 100% cold pressed coconut oil, you see? Okay, so there's all your ingredients for your brownies, so let's put them together. Grab your food processor. Okay, so black beans are in the food processor. Let's throw a cup of oats in here. That's one can of black beans. Okay, we're going to put the oats into the food processor. That's 1 cup of oats, okay? Let me put the pan down. 1 cup of oats. Can y'all see? Damn it. 1 cup of oats. You're going to add 2 tablespoons maple. We're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We're going to add our Keiko powder. This is going to be a 1/2 cup. Can I get it open? Here's the challenge. Okay. Okay, the Keiko powder. Then we're going to add the baking soda. Baking soda. I don't know where the spoon is. One spoon. I got it. 1 tablespoon. Okay, so let's pan down again. So there's what it's looking like. I melted the chocolate inside of the coconut oil, and then I poured it on top of the brownie. After, I took it out the food processor, and now I'm about to put this in the oven and let it bake for a moment, okay? But I need a smaller pan. I need a square pan, okay? I got this big ass rectangular pan that I don't make that much food in, not of this amount, so I'm just gonna square out my brownie inside of here. Then we're gonna throw it in the oven for like 20 minutes, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay. The brownies, I believe, are done. I'm going to pan down so you can see what it's looking like. Okay? So, there it is. You see? Oops. Can you see? Yeah. It's still hot, so I'm not going to cut it yet. I'm going to let it cool down, and then I'm going to go ahead, do the honors of giving it a taste and letting you know how it came out. Okay? So, be back again. What? Let it cool down for like 20 minutes. Be back. Okay, so I'm back. 20 minutes hasn't passed. I'm just being greedy right now. I went ahead and cut it anyway, and I'm gonna taste it now. Okay, and I did use almond butter because the chocolate bar that I had almond butter inside of it. So let's go ahead and see what this tastes like.
Let's give praise to the man upstairs. Without him, there's no us. Here we go. Nice. Put the head down. Bow, there it is.
That's delicious. It doesn't taste like a bean at all. So don't think, oh, it's gonna taste like a beans. No, it doesn't taste like beans. It tastes like an actual brownie. If you have, like, put 2 bars of chocolate in here to make it more chocolatey, but this taste is really good. I'm gonna have me some almond milk with this and cool out for the rest of the day. So thanks for watching the Veganlicious channel. Come back and see me, and you know how you do that. I told you at the top of the show. Click the subscribe button, and you'll be notified when I post a new video. In the meantime, and in between time, go ahead down to the description box. I have a Veganlicious ebook that has 18 great tasting recipes in it that you can make if you're not a vegan, or if you are a vegan and want to try some delicious vegan recipes. Also, if you're not interested in the cookbook, you just want to give me a tip to show your appreciation for this recipe, or you want to buy me a matcha because you appreciate me giving you keys here, giving you jewels on how to eat healthy, and, you know, just for being me. Go ahead, hit the Cash App up, buy the ebook, okay? All the information is in the description box. Thank you for watching, and enjoy your day. But you already know, don't just enjoy your day, enjoy life. Iluvo.